Homeowners, are you looking for that ideal pressure washer to get your job done at home, whether it be to washing on your walkway or washing on your building or just washing on your car or your carpets? And look no further. Can I look to Sylvie's Industrial Solution and invest in your very own power horse 200 PSI pressure washer? This is a brand new pressure washer we have in stock now available. Aside from our Genera, Honda, and Better brand, this is a brand new power horse one. It's perfect for your house use. Very easy to operate. It's a gas operated. It comes on wheel, which means it is very portable to move around your yard. Also, it comes with a heavy duty 25 feet pressure washer hose and a gun and lance for those hard to reach places. And it comes with 4 different tips giving you that ideal pressure when it be to blasting your side of your concrete or washing on your fence or walkway. So don't hesitate, get on down to Sylvie's Industrial Solutions, invest in your very own 200 PSI pressure washer. Get 3 months warranty, great after sales service, and we also carry full line of parts. And with your purchase, you get a free 50-feet yard hose. You heard me right, a free 50-feet yard hose to go with your pressure washer. So don't hesitate, you can visit us on sylviesonline.com or WhatsApp us on 623-7755. Looking forward to seeing you. Have a nice day.